Hello, is this Alex?
Hi, yeah, this is Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Andrea from Innotech Solutions. We're scheduled for a pre-qualification interview today for the software developer position. Is this still a good time for you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great. Before we dive in, I just need your consent to proceed with this interview. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome, thanks. Let's start with your experience using Python. Could you share a project you've worked on that involved AI?
Yeah, sure. I completed many projects over the past 3 years using different libraries like TensorFlow, Pandas, scikit-learn, doing regression models, classification projects, a lot of different ones.
Great. Could you tell me about one specific project where you used these libraries, especially TensorFlow? What was the goal and how did you achieve it?
Yeah, so for example, for TensorFlow, I was doing a project that was trying to create a model that would classify a certain sentiment over the responses from different industries like HR, for example, of the people who work there.
That's quite interesting. How did you handle the challenge of classifying sentiments from diverse industries like HR? What approach did you take to ensure the model's accuracy?
So I did a vigorous testing, and I spent a lot of time trying to come up with features that I could use in my machine learning models. So yeah, I did a bunch of research of what's the most important factors that could influence the sentiment. So yeah, did a lot of those test and trial sets where I could identify which type of features I should use, and then I spent quite a lot of time trying to tune my algorithm, and yeah, so basically in the end it was 89% accuracy, which I believe was pretty good for this use case.
Wow, 89% accuracy is impressive. It sounds like you put a lot of thought into feature selection and testing. Great job on that. Now, could you explain in simple terms what overfitting means in the context of machine learning?
Yeah, sure. Overfitting is basically when the model is tested on a certain testing data, and then it basically return a result which is kind of close to what it was trained on, not the data that it came from outside of training data. So it's basically tuned to provide data or results that are that it was trained on, like close to what it was trained on.
Exactly, you've got it. Overfitting happens when a model learns the detail and noise in the training data to an extent that it negatively impacts the performance of the model on new data. It's like being really good at taking tests you've seen before but struggling with new questions. Thanks for explaining that. Before we wrap up, do you have any questions about Innotech Solutions or the role itself?
Sure. Can you please tell me a bit more about the company?
Absolutely. Innotech Solutions is at the forefront of software development, particularly in AI and machine learning. We're known for our innovative approach and collaborative culture. Our teams work on cutting-edge projects that push the boundaries of technology to solve real-world problems. It's a dynamic place to grow professionally, especially if you're passionate about AI. Does this sound like an environment you'd be excited to be part of?
Yes, exactly. I'm thrilled. Can you please tell me a bit more about the position itself and the role?
Certainly. As a software developer here, you'll primarily be working with Python to develop and implement AI-driven applications. You'll collaborate with a team to design algorithms that can learn from and make decisions based on data. The role involves not just coding, but also participating in the research and development of new techniques in machine learning. It's a role that will challenge you technically while giving you the opportunity to contribute significantly to our projects. Does this align with what you're looking for in your next position?
Yes, absolutely. I'm really looking forward to the progress of this application. Pretty excited. Excited.
That's fantastic to hear, Alex. I'm glad you're excited about the opportunity. We'll review your application and get back to you with the next step soon. Thank you so much for your time today, and have a great day ahead.
Thank you. You too. Have a good day. Bye.